Famous sayings like, "An apple a day keeps the doctor away," and "You are what you eat" stress the influence that our diet has on our health. Although diet alone does not dictate whether or not we develop certain medical conditions or how our body responds to them, several studies have indicated that diet is a contributing factor. For this reason, there are a variety of dietary supplements and guidelines available for managing certain conditions. One such condition is neuropathy. Neuropathy is a type of nerve dysfunction that results in weakness, numbness, and pain. One common cause of neuropathy is diabetes. However, neuropathy can also be the result of conditions such as lupus, Guillain-Barré syndrome, rheumatoid arthritis, and Sjogren's syndrome, to name a few. In some cases, neuropathy can also be a side effect of chemotherapy. While there are conventional treatments available to treat symptoms associated with neuropathy, recent research suggests that dietary supplements may also be beneficial for some individuals. One of the primary benefits of dietary supplements is the fact that they generally have less side effects than other types of treatments. With that being said, it is still recommended to speak with your doctor before stopping any conventional treatments and/or starting a dietary supplement. Here are 3 dietary supplements for neuropathy that you may want to discuss with your doctor. Number 1. Fish oil. Fish oil works as an anti-inflammatory and can repair nerve damage. Research has shown that fish oil can slow the progression of neuropathy and can even reverse it in some cases. It also promotes neuron outgrowth. Fish oil can be taken as a supplement, or it can be found in salmon, sardines, mackerel, cod liver oil, herring, oysters, anchovies, or caviar. The omega-3 fatty acids found in fish oil can also be found in walnuts, canola oil, chia seeds, flax seeds, and soybeans. Number 2. B vitamins. B vitamins are known for their ability to support healthy nervous system function. Vitamins B1, B6, and B12 have been found to be especially beneficial for treating neuropathy. Vitamin B1, also known as thiamine, helps to reduce pain and inflammation, and vitamin B6 preserves the covering on nerve endings. B12 is also essential for proper neurological function, and a B12 deficiency can actually cause neuropathy. B vitamins can be supplemented or can be found in eggs, seafood, fortified cereals, vegetables, low-fat dairy products, and poultry. Number 3. Curcumin. Curcumin is a strong antioxidant found in turmeric, known for its anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties. When taken early on, curcumin has been found to prevent chronic pain associated with neuropathy. It has also been shown to reduce pain and inflammation. It can be taken as a supplement or used as an herbal add-on to certain foods. And there you have it. These are the dietary supplements to improve neuropathy. Thanks for joining. I hope you liked this video. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and press the bell icon to never miss an update.